Hello and welcome to the show. Now there's a dish that went viral a year or so ago and I'm yet to try it. It's got, well, let's say quite an interesting name. It's actually called Marry Me Chicken. I've been wanting to give this a try. The other night I was scrolling through Cookie-Doo and hey ho, Marry Me Chicken popped up. So let's bring out the good old Thermi to give me my first experience of Marry Me Chicken. This recipe involves a steaming function, so if you own a Thermomix TM6 and you're yet to use this function, now is probably a good opportunity to check it out. Okay, let's waste no more time and get cooking, but very quickly, just before I start, if you do enjoy the video, do remember to click that like button, even better, subscribe, because it really helps my channel reach a wider audience. Thanks. Okay, fellow Thermi fans, let's get started. Just before I do, this is a United States recipe, so if you want to cook this and you're outside the United States, you'll have to include United States recipe in your Cookie-Doo search, or this recipe will not show up. That being said, also because it's a US recipe, everything will be displayed in ounces, so imperial, not metric. Just for the purpose of the video, as I always say on these Thermomix videos, I pre-weighed everything just to help the video flow that bit quicker. So 3 ounces of Parmesan cut into pieces. I'm a little bit under, I should have brought a little bit more. I thought I had enough, but hey, I guess we're going to grind this up. Next, insert measuring cup, speed select to 10. Goodness me, that easily beats grating Parmesan by hand. What a laborious task that is. Transfer to a bowl and set aside in your pot. Next, season 4 chicken cutlets or 2 chicken breasts, skinless, boneless, cut horizontally, 1 teaspoon of paprika, a bit of salt, bit of ground black pepper. Next, divide seasoned chicken between vermicelli dish and tray and set aside. Now I've done this off camera just to help cross-contamination. It's just going to help the video flow that little bit faster and easier. So that's been done. Pop the lid on and set that aside. Next, place 2 ounces of bacon cut into pieces or 2 ounces of pancetta. In we go. Quite important to make sure you leave the fat on that bacon, because that's where you get a lot of your flavour. 1 garlic clove. And because I love garlic, I'm going for 2. One thing you have to remember about these Thermomix recipes, you can just wing it if you want. We're not baking, so if you like garlic, if you like garlic, then add some more. 1/2 ounce of unsalted butter. Starting to melt a little bit. Next, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme and 1/8 of a teaspoon. Just put a teaspoon in and I've done with it, or 1/2 teaspoon. I mean 1/8. Hey, just get that in. I'm putting them in together. Again, I've pre-weighed and prepped everything before I started to film. Next, insert measuring cup. Turn speed select to 5, so I guess we're going to chop. Isn't life easy with the Thermomix? Scrape down sides of a mixing bowl with spatula. It's very difficult to do this filming full on and not getting your big elbow in front of the camera. Without measuring cup. So speed select to 5 for 5 minutes, 250F. See you soon. 2 ounces of baby spinach, 6 ounces of chicken stock. Here's some I made earlier. Next, 1 ounce of dry wine, dry white wine. I'm just going to add a little bit more chicken stock in. I've got no white wine in. I only drink white wine in the summer. Plenty of red because it's winter. Just a little bit under 1. Do you drink white wine in the winter? Comment below. 1.5 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes. Julienne. Now, Julienne a carrot or 2, but definitely not a sun-dried tomato. I have to slice these. Place Varoma with chicken into position, secure Varoma lid, and it's about to get steamy. Next, Varoma, and I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. Okay, the time is up. Just be careful not to burn yourself with the steam. I'm just going to probe this chicken just to make sure it's cooked. Doesn't look too bad at all. Needs to be 74, 66. That one isn't quite cooked. And that one is. So we'll leave them both in. I'm just going to give it probably, it's coming in at 67. Just going to give it another 3 or 4 minutes. The easiest thing to do here, just to continue with the cooking, is just go backwards and then start it again. See you very soon. Okay, I've continued to cook for an extra 3.5 minutes. The chicken breast is at 75C. We're looking at a minimum of 74. So I'm just going to pop these chicken breasts onto a tray. I'm just going to keep them warm in my oven just while we cook the sauce. Okay. Next, remove the aroma and transfer chicken to a serving dish, which I've just done, but I've just popped mine in the oven, like I mentioned. It is a low oven, about 180, 170C, because we don't want to overcook that chicken. Just keep it warm. Okay, I had 4 to 6 ounces of heavy cream. See tip. The tip does state that 4 ounces will give you a thin sauce, 6 ounces will give you a thicker sauce. I like my sauce thick, so it's having the full 6 ounces. Without measuring cup. So I guess this sauce is just going to reduce down and of course heat. Speed selector 1, 4 minutes. So again, I'll see you all soon. 3/4 of the reserved grated cheese. That will do. Stir through with spatula to combine. A spoon will do. Just thickening it up nicely. Carefully pour sauce over chicken and we'll get it on a plate and take a look. Here I'm serving my chicken with some gorgeous creamy mashed potato and some minted peas. Nice and simple. And finished off with a sprinkle of the remaining parmesan and some chopped greens. I didn't give this dish my usual taste test as the video was running a little long. Now I don't say this lightly, but this is the best recipe I've ever tasted using the Thermomix TM6. And in my humble opinion, it's easily restaurant standard, and as you can see by the video, it's so simple to make. So if you like chicken, you must give this one a go. You'll not regret it. Thanks so much for supporting my channel. Click like, subscribe and all those good things, and I will see you all soon for some more Thermomix cooking.